In this video, I'll quickly show you how to add your opening balance in Zoho Books. Let's get started. First, all you have to do is click Settings and then search for opening balances. Now, choose your opening balance date. It's usually the day before you start using Zoho Books. I started using Zoho Books in June 3, so I'm going to set it to the day before, which is June 2. And now, what you have to do is enter the amount you have for the following information. You have to enter the amounts for your bank account, which is the money in your bank, and the accounts receivable, the money customers owe you, the accounts payable, which is the money you owe others, inventory, the value of your stock, fixed assets, which is the equipment or property, loans or liabilities, it's the money you owe, and once you're done filling in the needed information, all you have to do is click continue and click that. And then after that, Zoho will automatically adjust any differences. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.